I hit you. Get down.
We can count if we just lay. We're getting separated again. Safety!
Oh my god. Really just want to tighten this up now.
Have you saved anyone today?
No, well, yeah, one person. Cough drop?
No thanks. It's paramedic is handing out cough drops.
I try to stay for the stock.
We are trying to kill the zombies with cough drops.
Yeah. Hey guys, don't hurt the zombies, you know?
That's not it. That's not it.
Let's go slay them. We gotta find that warhead. Down. I got him. Don't give them no cards. They lie. Hey, we know where we need to find that nuke.
You're making a deal with the scientist?
Depends on how much they have to offer.
Let them take care of it. What do we do? Card or no card? I ain't got one card. You got card? Alrighty. Alex, watch him. No, Alex. He's right here. Anything?
What kind of information do you have?
What's going on over here? Who's freaking out?
Him? Safety.
Another one just in case. Can't get the briefcase on.
Why?
Watch out.
Go.
Come on. Pull his body up.
Come on,
You can't hold on to it.
Go. Check it and see what's in there.
Okay.
Whether he's fighting for it or not, we don't know. Zombie going that way. Zombie. Shoot him!
Check the RV. Let's go.
I'll cover you. I'll kill you if you come out and you're a zombie. Go. Oh, there's a last sound.
Oh, man.
No, Charlie. Let's go.
Yep.
Safety.
Ah!
I got you.
Keep walking.
Good save.
Walk away from me.
Thank you.
Good save, brother.
I don't want a hug though.
A hug.
I already gave you a direction. You didn't give me
What?
Oh, really? You gave me that orange lid. Oh, right. Yeah, okay. I'll give you my pistol. I don't want your pistol. Okay.
Safety him.
Pass the test.
That was, yeah, I think you hit him. They're relentless.
Watch this guy. He's still moving. He's not behind her.
You got cards? I never said anything about zombies couldn't use cards. What are you doing?
3 cards to tell him it's okay. Yeah.
God damn! Whoa!
Shot back. I see him. I got a party.
Got a party coming up now, running.
20 shots. So good.
No.
Got a couple more. Go. One more. Ready?
Good. Take it side.
We got clear.
Ah!
Did you get him?
Dave's dead.
Okay.
Dave tagged people. Dave's dead.
Oh.
They never-
Safety.
Yeah, you just got safety like 8 times.
Whatever.
I'm gonna just say safety.
Go, go, go.
You can't safety someone that's already dead.
Safe. Is it in there?
That's it, people. Nice tight grouping.
Damn it.
Did you get him or did it?
Safety. Safety. Safety.
I don't know if we got intel. I think we just.
Ow. Way to like.
Okay, everyone outside's pretty much dead now. Yeah. You got one right here. How do you feel, Brandon? Tell me your situation.
I feel pretty good.
Oh my God!
I hadn't even been able. He tagged me. I was instantly zombified.
Jake! Okay, let me let living Brandon out.
How many people were
Steve, you're dead.
Practically everybody was.
Brandon's dead!
Yay! We have more.
Everyone.
Exfil in 1 minute! Exfil, 1 minute! Military exfil in 1 minute!
This truck.
No, the other truck. I think you're the only one that's gonna make it. Game!
There's more out there.
There's more out there hidden.
So we're saving it for.
The scientist has more too.
You guys, if I turn into a zombie, and nobody knows where the
Where's it at?
one's at. So.
Oh, you guys are pretty much screwed if the person with the syringe dies.
Well, we can shoot him.
You can't check yourself.
So tell me what you just did.
I just sold the 2 syringes that I was given with the cure in it.
How many?
How
many cards?
syringes?
How
I haven't
many-
counted. More than 10.
She's got the pistol in her.
More than 10.
Jeez. You bought them?
He got one of them, and then one of his teammates ran off with it.
Hold on to them.
Just tag along with
You
them.
can't steal them.
I can pay you in not death.
If you kill her, she just goes over there and takes them with her.
Don't wait, anything.
Dude, I trust you, but you get like 1 foot away from me. You get, like, if Dave's me, you're going.
Well, what happens if we shoot on a civic?
Yeah, then we get
So you get them for free from them if you shoot them, but you don't get them for free from me. Yeah, you can't kill them.
Dave,
It is, you have to give her cards.
Dave, we're doing bartering.
What?
We're bartering.
Alex had like a stack
The
of cards.
Cindy's bought 2
She
for
just
10.
ran away though.
I only got 2.
I got 3.
That's 5. You can get 1.
5. You can get 1 for 5.
Yeah, we got military out here on the road!
There's nobody here.
Zach, what's your situation?
We're fucked. Yo, cover that doorway, cover that doorway.
What's there? Safety kill. Okay, now take the stuff.
Ah! Ah, damn it! Safety. No, let's get away from this guy. Fuck this shit. Yeah, fuck this.
The virus has completely devastated over 150 of the world's major regions, and it is spreading rapidly. At this point in time, we know of only one method of killing the creatures, or destroy the brain. Be on the guard of any loved ones who may have recently been in any sort of contact with the infected. And if you find yourself in a threatened position, please do not hesitate to act. Again, this is not a test. This is not a joke. We as a species are overwhelmed. We are outnumbered.
There are 2 syringes in it. What happened?
Flat battery.
This is a shitty time for a battery to die. This is a really bad time.
Watch that door, too.
Zombies can't open doors.
The virus has completely devastated over 150 of the world's major regions, and is spreading rapidly. At this point in time, we know of only one method of killing the creatures, or destroy the brain. Be on the guard of any loved ones who may have recently been in any sort of contact with the infected.
Yo, we gotta take the town back.
If you find yourself
We gotta take the town back.
please do not hesitate to act.
You got zombies!
This is not a test. This is not a joke.
Back in the woods.
We are outnumbered.
Alright, let's take this town back. Ammo. Yeah, let's get to town.
Yeah, there's no more ammo for sale.
You in midair, dude.
Where'd you get hit?
Hey, stop! Get out of there, Matt. Get out of there.
Whoa.
We got zombies! Matt, sit down, zombies!
Careful about the camper.
That counts as a kill for everything but the bathroom and the bed.
Ready? Toss it through there. Okay, move.
Fire the hole! Anyone right there is dead. Any zombies right there are dead.
You're dead.
The bathroom and the bed are clear. Oh, you 2 are dead. What? You're dead. Huh? They tagged you. The bathroom and the bed were safe, but everything else is a kill. You're good.
Zombies, let's go.
Alright guys, go kill the city.
I think everyone in here is dead. Steve, tell me what just happened.
Yeah, cheers.
Lloyd! How long did that last, you dead motherfucker?
The military's trying to get us. We got all these folks. No, the military guys like fire at us.
Landon, let's go.
Landon.
Tell me what's going on.
People are dying
Everywhere.
everywhere.
Ah! Oh, you hit his arm. You're dead. You hit him right in the arm. You should have safetied him.
Oh, man.
Zach died.
Might want to run.
Safety. I'm pretty sure you're the last one. Make sure you say safety loud enough so they can hear you. Hey, exfil at the truck in like 3 minutes. Maybe you can make it out of here, but you went the wrong fucking way. Actually, 6 minutes.
Who wants to be cured?
Get Brandon. You have to kill him first to cure him. Oh!
Come here.
Good game. Game-winning kill.
Were there any?
Who's left?
You're not left.
You're not left.
You're not left.
Who's? No fucking way.